Uh, I'm not sure if this is the worksheet that I gave you guys. If it is, great. If it's not the worksheet I gave you guys, I put a link to the worksheet under this video, and you can download it there. Anyway, here we go. Number one, we're finding the area between the two curves. So in order to do this, you should sketch it. Y equals x squared. Everybody should know what that looks like. And y equals x cubed. Alright. The way I drew it from just experience. But it's not guaranteed that this is actually correct. So let's make sure. Alright. First of all, we should know where these intersection is. This one's obvious. There is a x equals 0 intersection. But let's find out this second one. And if it's obvious too, that's fine. But for those of us where it's not obvious, we'll go ahead and solve it algebraically. So that's the equation you would have to solve to find the intersection. Just bring my x squared to the right. Factor out the x squared. So here, x equals 0, x equals 1. That's the intersection. So those are the intersections rather. Alright, so the 0 was obvious, but 1, and there's the other one. Alright, now, the next question is whether the x squared is on top or x cubed is on top. Okay, if you don't know, just plug in a number between 0 and 1, say 1/2. What is 1/2 squared? How does that compare to 1/2 cubed? Well, 1/2 squared is 1/4, 1/2 cubed is 1/8. So 1/4 is greater than 1/8, so it is x squared that is on top. Why do we know if it's on top or not? Well, when we find the area between two curves, we do the top curve minus the bottom curve, and that's our integral. And the limits of this integral is between 0 and 1. We integrate that. It's going to be 1/3 minus 1/4. When you plug in 0, you get 0, so it's going to just be this. So that's what, 4/12, so minus 3/12. So the area is 1/12. That's number one.